Going through a divorce is terrible. Going through a divorce with a spouse that's being exceptionally difficult to deal with is even worse. No one wants to have to deal with that, and your family lawyers will help you through the process, but sometimes you have a situation where that person just is not helping or moving forward in any way. Well, the provincial government has a way of dealing with those people. The biggest thing where we have an issue with is when a person who someone is applying for child support for is refusing to provide their financial information. Ultimately, child support and often spouse support, but 100% child support is based on the amount of income a person is making. It's going to deal with their assets. It's going to deal with their money that's coming in every month. And if a person doesn't give you that information, then how do you ascertain it? So the Alberta government set up a piece of legislation in government. It's the Family Orders and Agreements Enforcement Assistance Act, which is a great big mouthful. But what it does is you can make an application to the court, and the court can order certain things. Now, if they order that the person gives you this information, well, they're already supposed to, so often they won't. We can get that order, but this is a better, stronger piece of legislation because it allows you to apply to the federal government to get the information directly. You can get their tax returns, you can get their notice of assessment, you can find out what's going on with all their taxes, and you can also find out who their employer is. So if they've been claiming that they don't make any money, well, the federal government has a way to see if they were making money. And they're going to provide that information for you so that you can then move forward with the application for your child support. And if you need to, you can go for maintenance enforcement, which is a process through the government that says, hey, person who's not paying their child support, we're going to not let you get a driver's license, hunting license. We're going to keep you from being able to do anything really with the government until you make good on your obligations to your children. Generally speaking, it may slow things down, but it won't stop child support. It is a very bad idea to just not help in the process to finalize the numbers to make sure that you can both move on in a very happy situation or happier. Having that conflict doesn't do any good. Delaying it doesn't do any good because now you're going to have a lump sum that you're going to owe for the past child supports. If you ever have questions, make sure you reach out to the family lawyer. This is an area where it's important to get good legal advice and not rely on things you see online because that just doesn't help you often and can make you pick wrong decisions. We're going to help you navigate through the process of divorce, and when someone is being stubborn, we're going to help you deal with that too.